Looking for the sports gem.
Alrighty, well, this video will be the weekly game plan. These will be trade setups for the middle of November. I'm a little bit late on getting the video out due to the new mic, so let me know how in the description or in the comment section how the new mic sounds. We can adjust it in the middle of the stream on Weenie Trades live. But last week we said to go long on Tesla, just over 440, and Tesla went as high as 452, so a nice good 3% move. Didn't get as high as our 460 target, so we did take a half stop out on that. Last week we said to go long on TAN over 77, and TAN just kind of gapped up over the target, so TAN was kind of a no trigger. Last week we said to go long on Upwork, UPWK, and Upwork was really pushing up all week. It was our biggest revenue trade of the week and definitely made our week. We said you can dip buy all the way at 55. The low of this day was 25. And that 25. So that was our big move in Upwork, 24% over. And Upwork is actually in this week's game plan to go long over 31. And we're just targeting about the 32.50 area. And our stop is going to have to be 29.85 if you want a tight stop. If you want a looser stop and you're going with shares, maybe a little bit less shares, go with the 27.80 on Upwork. Uber is in last week's game plan to go long over 45. Well, Uber just gapped up and shot up all the way to 49.62, but Uber later in the week gave you that dip buy right at 45. So 45 up to 47.80, that's about 6.5% almost. And Uber is in this week's game plan to go long over 48. So we're going to be buying Uber over 48. And we're going to be targeting past the all-time highs, maybe a little bit short if you want, maybe 48.90, 49 for a small partial. But then if it's getting near the all-time highs, it's likely to bust through. Watch out for the $50 a share level and maybe as high as 51 or 52 on Uber this week. Boeing was a big revenue trade for us last week, and it's still a great mover for this week. After that tail candle and we got the gap up, Boeing is really shooting up, and we're looking to go long on Boeing. If it can close hourly above 190, then I'd expect it can pop the recent highs and maybe go as high as 197, 197.50, maybe as high as 199. I don't think it'll sell off right at 200. We either want to sell in front of 200 or a little bit after 200. So we're targeting the 201, 204, 206 area. That would be a big move on Boeing, and it's in this week's game plan to watch. Our last stock in this week's game plan is Palantir, PLTR, and Palantir had a really good push up and a crazy earnings day, this awkward little middle finger tail candle. However, on Friday, we started to push up yet again. Palantir is looking good, over $16 a share, and we're just going to be targeting past all-time highs. There's a lot of open interest at the $20 a share strike, so we're going to be watching out just a little bit short of that, maybe as high as 18, 18.50, 19, 19.50. $20 a share is a bit of a stretch, and due to our stop loss, we're going to need about a $1.50 stop loss, but that is a 20% move, so you got to be able to survive a good 10% pullback, and that would be about the 14.30 level as our stop loss. Alrighty, so let me know what you think of the new mic. Help me find the best mic settings. I don't know if this is good, bad, not so good. I don't know. It's been a long day. All right, thanks for tuning in. See ya.